Okay, if you're a compliance professional, you know this feeling all too well. You pour weeks, maybe even months, into crafting the perfect security policy. You get all the approvals, you do the whole song and dance, and then nothing. It just sits there. In this explainer, we're going to look at how to finally break that cycle and turn those static documents into an active defense. This quote from Compliance Hub just hits the nail on the head, doesn't it? It perfectly captures this problem of digital dust. And, that's really the silent killer of any security program. It's a policy that exists on a server somewhere, but it has absolutely zero impact on how people actually behave. Sure, it checks a box for an audit, but it's not really doing the one thing it's supposed to do: reduce risk. So that brings us to the big question, right? How do we resurrect these documents? How do we actually move from a culture of just passive acknowledgement to one where people are actively engaged and we're seeing real security improvements? Well, let's dive in and find out. The answer really is to completely change how we think about policy management. We have to stop treating it like a one-time project. It's not about writing a document and then, dusting off your hands and saying, done. The new approach treats it as what it should be: a continuous, living life cycle. This new life cycle has 4 stages that are absolutely crucial, and they all feed into each other. First, you generate your policies, but you do it with AI-driven precision. Second, you operationalize them with actionable checklists that people can actually follow. Third, and this is a big one, you validate comprehension. You prove your team gets the why behind the rules. And finally, you improve continuously, using feedback and data to make the entire system stronger. See, it's this powerful, self-reinforcing loop. The best way to think about this shift is with an analogy. The old way? That's like using a paper map. It's totally static, it's out of date the second a new road is built, and it gives you zero feedback. This new AI-powered lifecycle? Well, it's like a GPS. It's dynamic, it gives you real-time, turn-by-turn guidance, and it intelligently reroutes you when things change. It's just a smarter way to operate. So how do you actually build this GPS for your compliance program? Well, here's the thing. The key isn't some single, giant, monolithic tool. Instead, it's an entire ecosystem of specialized AI tools, and they're all designed to work together, with each one mastering a specific stage of that life cycle we just talked about. At the heart of this toolkit, you've really got 3 core platforms. First up is Generate Policy. Think of this as your engine for creating precise, framework-aligned policies in just minutes. Then you have SecureCheck, which is the bridge from policy to action. It turns those dense documents into real operational workflows. And finally, Policy Quest closes the loop using interactive quizzes to make sure everyone, from IT to HR, actually gets what their responsibilities are. Now, you might be looking at this and thinking, wait, both Generate Policy and SecureCheck create checklists, so what's the difference? It really just boils down to scope and scale. Generate Policy is perfect for a one-off task. You create a new policy, and bam, you get a checklist for it. SecureCheck, on the other hand, is built for the enterprise. It lets a CISO take their entire library of existing policies and convert them all into actionable tasks on an unlimited subscription basis. And this analogy just illustrates the difference perfectly. Think of Generate Policy's checklist feature like the instructions that come with an IKEA desk. They're perfect for building that one specific item. SecureCheck is like hiring a general contractor. You can hand them any blueprint from any architect, and they can create a detailed work plan for the entire project. So the crucial takeaway here is that these tools are creating different things for different people. An IT checklist from SecureCheck tells your implementers what to do. An audit questionnaire from Generate Policy helps your auditors verify compliance. And an employee quiz from Policy Quest proves your employees actually understand the policy. 3 totally different jobs and 3 specialized tools to get them done right. And this whole system, it all builds to something absolutely crucial. This shift is about way more than just efficiency. It's about moving from simply having a policy to being able to actually prove its effectiveness. And that, as we all know, is what truly matters when the auditors come knocking. Okay, so here's the fundamental change. We're moving away from that totally meaningless "I have read and agree" checkbox, which, let's be honest, proves nothing, and we're moving to active verification. Requiring an employee to actually pass an interactive quiz based on the policy gives you quantitative, defensible proof that they not only read the document, but they actually understood the key concepts inside it. So why does this matter so much to auditors? Well, think of it this way. A signed acknowledgement form, that's like a student signing something to say they received the class syllabus. It proves nothing about what they learned. A passed quiz from a tool like PolicyQuest, that's like acing the final exam. It is concrete, undeniable proof of competence. And, beyond all the effectiveness, let's talk about the money. Because the economics here are, well, they're kind of staggering. A traditional consultant might charge you anywhere from $300 to over $1,000 to write a single policy. With AI, you're looking at a cost of less than $10. That isn't just a little bit of savings. That's a complete transformation of the entire cost structure for compliance.
The value is just incredible when you really break it down. Think about that critical task of turning a dense, 20-page policy into a clear, actionable to-do list for your IT team. Using the enterprise plan, that whole process costs about $1.68. That's an absolute game changer for operationalizing compliance at scale.
So if you're ready to transform your policy lifecycle from static to dynamic, from something that gathers dust to something that takes action, the CISO Marketplace has some exclusive offers to help you get started with the exact toolkit we've been talking about. All right, here's the deal. You can get 30% off AI policy generation at generatepolicy.com with the code CISO30. You can get 20% off the interactive training and quizzes over at PolicyQuest DIY with the code CISO20. And if you just need some professionally written templates to get started, you can get 20% off at cyberpolicy.shop with that same code, CISO20.
Which really brings us right back to where we started. The tools to build a living, breathing compliance program actually exist now. So the only question left is a pretty simple one to ask yourself. Are your policies driving security, or are they just gathering dust?